the leader, the pirate leader. Let me introduce him, the quick-witted pirate leader. His name is Asalat, who killed Thor, the father of Thorfinn. So he thought that, okay, I'm going to capture that prince, and then I'm going to earn that money. I'm going to put myself in that situation, in the situation Thorkel is, to have in a win-win situation. So he used Thorfinn as usual, because he wanted vengeance. So he was using him. He was saying that, okay, bring me prince, and then you will have a chance to duel. And okay, there was one thin important detail I forgot. He did not kill the Thorfinn did not kill the leader, because he had that father's impression that I will kill him with the fair means. I will not kill him anyway. I will kill him in a duel. Just in the duel, that's how father fought him and beat him. He was thinking to, I will kill him in the duel. Father did not kill him, but I will kill him. So he was thinking that was his vengeance. So Asala said to him, give uh, give me that pirate, not give me give me मतलब मेरे पास लाने को क्या बोलेंगे, मेरे पास लाओ,
Bring him.
bring me the prince, then you can have a duel. So to bringing the prince, he has to fight the number two fighter Thorkel. He fought him. He got injured, but the Asalat knew that he will get injured. So what he did some smart work, and somehow caught prince, and somehow caught prince and also Thorfinn in the injured position. And he said that you will have to guard the prince. You will have to guard the prince. You are a bodyguard of prince. So with prince, there was one other person who was like hand holding the prince. हैंड होल्डिंग बोलेंगे उसको, उसका सहारा देते हैं जो एक, तो जो उसको राह दिखाता है, like just a mom
Follow.
type,
Hmm.
someone kind of
Guide.
mom, जो
A guide. Guide. Can you
guide
use
कह
guide
सकते
here?
हैं,
He was a guide, है ना?
some guide,
Can.
जैसे so he was a guide.
Yes, even Ashu wants to add something. Yes, Ashu?
Showing the path.
हाँ. As a phrase, you can use that, right? As a phrase, you can use.
Okay. So the reason why prince was so pious, pure, was because of this guide. The guide was a normal guy. He did not know did not know how to move sword and how to do this. He knew how to cook. He knew how to pluck flowers from uh, uh, park, garden. He knew these things. He knew how to ride a horse, but he didn't knew how to move a sword. So he did not teach him how to move a sword. So that's how he also knew Christianity. He was uh, into Christianity. He was into Jesus Christ. He said them that sweet things that are in Bible, where
Or you can use
though
that
the
he was a thief. He was a theist.
priest, yes, sir, priest,
Priest or theist?
priest,
Theist. Okay. Theist is also
priest.
a word. The people or the person who believes on.
He was a priest, like the representative of
Okay.
God. That this,
Okay. Okay. Got it. Got it.
so he was into his voice. He always listened to him. And what happened? The prince was very shy. He did not tell. He do not speak to anyone. He was very shy. So if anyone come to him and say that, okay, you have to do this, he always say to that guide, you say this, say that. I'm saying this. The prince is saying that. So he was using him as a medium. The prince was not grown up. So when Asalat see him in that situation, he saw opportunity, the opportunity to find a king to whom he should bow.
Right.
So the opportunity was in front of him. He thought that this can be the moment. So what he did, he killed that guide. So when the guide was killed, the what was his name? A Canute, the prince. was in a soft situation. He was not angry, he was in a लाइक रोने वाली, बिल्कुल बहुत ज्यादा रोने की स्टोरी में आ जाते हैं, उसमें क्या कहते हैं, दुख
हाँ,
की, डिस्पेयर.
despair, and that word somber means drastic form of what do we say, despair, drastic form of despair. वो जो somber state लिखा है ना, SOMBER,
Yes, sir.
somber, that is used for that only. However, I thought to use that word.
So he was in somber, and he was taking, okay,
Somber
how will
state.
I live?
Somber
He was in a somber state. How will I live? He is killed, and now I cannot live. But then there was another fellow who was saying, see, there is a
state.
God
How much is
who
left
is looking.
finally?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, how much is left now? What is the climax?
Just a little, just a little, just a little.
Okay, okay, fine.
The climax is very interesting.
Okay, fine. Fine, fine, fine. We are okay
I
with
forget
So
the all the story about
that.
okay, just a little, just 2 minutes. Okay, I'll wrap up
No
everything in two
from where
problem.
minutes.
he
There
started
is
his
a reason. There is a very important reason that I have not interrupted him. I will let that know later on. Let him
Okay,
finish first, and then I
okay. Let me
continue.
wrap in 2 minutes
Ha
so
ha
that
ha.
you
No
guys have
problem.
chance.
Yes, no problem.
He was in somber state. So he said, so one person said to him, what do you think? What is love? So parents, can you said that the parents that they do with children, they love. Then he said, no, there's discrimination. See, those parents do not love other child. They love you. See, some same way, God does not do discrimination, but he is also not loving his children. See, your guide is killed. He is not loving any children. It is false. The Bible is false. So then Prince Canute got some wisdom. He thought that if
Hmm.
God is not creating that paradise, then I will create that paradise and show that to God that I will become the God of this land. By saying that, he also said that I cannot remove the sins that I have done, that the people of my country, the people of my uh, battalion has done. They are not going to live in that paradise, but the people who are suffered because of these wars, they are going to live in this paradise, and I'm going to create that paradise. So there was a shift in his character. He became suddenly a king. Suddenly started acting as a king. Then after some time, so there was a war going on between Thorfinn and Thorkel, because in this between he was trying to snatch him. So he stopped the war. He showed them the path, that this is the path that I'm going to choose. If you are thinking to go with this path, then be my subject, be my uh, be my support. So then Asalat to see him, then he saw, okay, I have done something now. Now it's my time to make him the king. Now in this all this place, what king wanted to kill this Prince Canute. When they reached back the kingdom of Denmark, the king saw, oh, you are alive. He said, yes, father. Then the both were having knew that he wanted to kill me, and also Prince Canute wanted to kill him now. Why? Because he wanted that power to build that paradise on earth. So he wanted to kill the current king, and become the new king. So what he did, there was some party going on, and because he came back, everyone was enjoying that he has come back, and everyone was enjoying. So in that moment, king saw Asalat, and he saw that, okay, this is the guy who has done something to my kid. He is the one. Otherwise, my parents is not that kind of person who will know such thing. So he saw him, and he found his उसकी कमी उसकी कमी पता लगाई उसने.
Lack, lack of
like
क्या?
like
LACK,
Like,
lack.
okay, like he found his leg. He found his leg, that where I can strike him. So he found that there is a country named as Wales. The current is in the France and Paris. So the Wales country was also in Danish continent, but it was influenced with the English army, the English continent. So he had an influence. Why? Because he was the son of daughter of England king. So he was a big shot, high shot kind of person, but he did not show that. So later at some point, what happened, when he saw that okay, Wales is something that I can strike with, the king said, we are going to march on Wales in the next month.
Hmm.
Suddenly Aslat was shocked. He was just shocked that how did he knew, how did he know that I am from Wales? And at that moment he had thinking, should I go with prince, should I kill him, what should I do, what should I do? So after some time he thought, and then king asked him, come Aslat.
Wrap up in
Okay,
in
I'm
30
wrapping here,
seconds,
wrapping here. I'm
because
wrapping in. Come
Ashu is.
Aslat. He came,
I
then
want to ask
he
him
said,
something.
okay, story just 1 minute. The climax is here.
Okay,
The
okay.
climax
No, no,
is here.
first of all, you tell me. First of all, you tell me. Have you watched this movie or something else?
I
Because
was.
in that particular time, no one.
I think he watched it anime. I think he watched it anime.
Yes,
That was now.
it's a
In that
prologue.
particular time, we can't able to write this damn long pattern. This story. We can't able to write this long pattern
No, no,
story.
I watched it,
Right.
Yes, yes, yes. You watched it. No?
and the story hasn't started yet. It's just a prologue.
Hmm. Look, it is just the starting. It is just a prologue. Be ready, all of you.
Be
Okay.
ready.
Tarun,
Okay,
continue
okay. Let
tomorrow
me finish the
because
climax. No, let me finish the
hurry
climax.
up,
I'm
hurry
in
up,
high
hurry up.
dopamine state.
Okay,
So what
hurry up.
happened? King said him that
Hmm.
hand over Prince Canute to me, and you can have Wales. He was shocked. Then he said, "Do you know what is my name? I'm Aslat." He killed king in that instant, and
Hmm.
in that moment, uh, Prince Canute saw, and he instantly understood that why did he kill him. So he understood that he has to kill Aslat to prove everyone that he is the new king. So to prove, he moved his sword, uplifted his sword, and tried to kill him. But then Thorfinn saw that King Prince Canute is going to kill him. He went there, he went straight there, but Thorkel stopped him. The second strongest warrior, Thorkel stopped him, and Prince Canute cut Aslath in front of Thorfinn. Now imagine the Thorfinn state. He was like totally blank. What happened?
Eventually,
What
we have.
exactly happened? I wanted
Eventually,
I wanted to kill him, but I could not kill him. I could not complete my vengeance, fulfill my vengeance. I could not kill him in a duel. And then Aslat told him, "Hey kid, you do not learn anything. Become a true warrior. And this is not your
oh,
duel. The duel is somewhere else. The duel is where the father was going. Create that country where all the people can live. Create that paradise. That is it.
okay.
That's the prologue, guys.
First, before I explain something, first apologize to Ashu. You have taken entire time of his. Please
I think
apologize.
for the
No, no,
prologue only he took the whole
I,
class.
no, no.
Ma'am, for the
I skip my meals. I skip my all the things, but I was sitting in my front of
can I say one thing?
me.
Can I say one thing? Can I say
And one
this?
more.
Yeah. Yes, Pratika, go ahead.
Taran Bhaiya took like the whole class for the prologue only. Let's see what's the story about. He'll take like 1 month to complete it.
Exactly. So it's going to snatch away entire time of yours, I guess, of everyone's time. But there was a reason that I did not interrupt. First, I was okay if it was extending. But later on, Tarun, it was too extendable. But really, it was very necessary.
No,
Trust me.
no,
It was very necessary.
just tell
Yes,
us,
Ashu.
just tell us the movie name. Other,
That Tarun knows very well. Huh? Tarun, you have to explain that, Appa. Right now we are so eager. But
Movie
you know
name.
what? Yes, Tarun.
Actually,
It's like
I was
peak fiction.
captain.
It's peak fiction, guys.
Huh,
If you want to watch, I
huh.
can tell you.
Yes,
But you
I
have to embrace
had
yourself.
enough.
Prepare yourself for that peak fiction because it was just prologue.
I
The
had
main story is
be
still remaining.
prepared. It's a simply saying be prepared. Okay. One thing
Yes.
I would like to mention that why have I not interrupted him? First, that I wanted to explain you all that the dialogues he is using, actually he has done 50% work of mine. The topic that I wanted to explain was narration from tomorrow or today I wanted to start it, but tomorrow I'll start it up. So he has done 50% work of mine. How? I was about to speak up such kind of story in front of you in which dialogues are there. Now, how to repeat those dialogues? That is the main purpose to be explained in a narration topic. Because story mein that is something you people get confused that he said or what exactly are you repeating the dialogue or what exactly are you doing. Now in stories while speaking you cannot repeat the exact dialogues because while reading that is in front of you वो आपके सामने है, right? You are reading it up, you know where are the commas, where are the inverted commas, where are the dialogues, who is speaking to whom. But in storytelling, we need to be really focused upon the indirect speech that will start tomorrow. But before that, I'll be sharing an assignment, okay, related to direct indirect. Please try to go through it. Usko try karna because it would be the initiation of your topic. Okay, Mansi, all is well. Beta,
Really?
nothing has been done. Are you there? Mansi has
Yes,
gone somewhere.
ma'am.
She's vanished. Mansi thought to have
I
dinner
want to say
meanwhile.
something.
एक्चुअली मैं आधी स्टोरी तो भूल ही गई
That happens.
I was
I was
observing the expression.
Hmm.
Actually, I was observing the expression people express.
Yeah. Yeah, I was
Varnika
so
like, oh God, oh God. Mansi like,
खत्म ही नहीं कर रहा है.
Mansi like, when
third
is going
thing,
to stop?
third and most
So,
important thing. Third and most important thing. Hold for a second, please. Hold for a second, all of you. Acha, tomorrow we'll continue this class. My husband is like calling me up. Okay. Bye. Take care, all of you. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
okay. Take care of all of you.
Take care, all of you.